in the spirit of a movie. Good morning, Vietnam! This is pretty badass. We're going along the Mekong River, which starts in Tibet and works its way all the way down to the Sea of China, which the Vietnamese call the Eastern Sea, east of China. And here comes our boat. Check this out. Watch this. Thank you. It's a game changer for me. I'm in the middle of the Vietnamese jungle here. Didn't expect this to happen today. This is awesome. Check it out. Why'd the chicken cross the road?
Chicken.
Why'd the chicken cross the road to get to the other side?
Organic.
Giá cầu xuân tình lang xa, khúc lưu thủy dân dương sông tiền, xu dòng ta về giang xa tiếng tơ đồng. Nói xuân đây là cái ngọt ơi người ơi, trời xanh lá xanh gột màu, cho lòng nguyện xứ sao ơi, nhau trái cây ngọt ngào, đi kiện ngô đá cao. Anh ơi xin nhớ trở lại Cù Lao ta gặp nhau, nghe tiếng gọi đời vui ước mơ, niềm than cao dạt dào, quê hương xây đắm ấm no đẹp vào hôm nay, mùa xuân vui đến trong muôn người, mùa xuân vui đến trong muôn người.
Biết chơi bài tiếng Anh không? Anh biết chơi được bài tiếng Anh không? Yêu Bell hay là Happy Birthday cũng được. Bài nào tiếng Anh?
It's like a whammy bar with a guitar.
Guitar also we make a difference as well. And we can call it trunk, so when you go like this, so we call it monkey bridge.
Monkey
Yeah. And we use that tool.
Perfect.
To collect. This one in India you call it pen. Pen, right? P-A-A-N. So not, it can make you drunk. Like you feel like dizzy.
Spread out, everybody. We're gonna make it easy target.
Here we go, patrolling the delta.
And we got our translator right here. We got Hannah Banana as our translator. Why you don't like American? Put your gun down. Honey, why you don't like?
Honey, why you don't like? Try to.
Okay. In Vietnam,
Kick me
rocking
back.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come right by you. I'm gonna come right by you.
Oops, sorry.
Again.
Now we're authentic. Got my hat on.
Big river. That's only to be safe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like one beehive this we have over 1,000 of bee inside, and one bee's box, and only one queen bee inside. The bee you see, most of them they are women, worker bee. Yeah,
Just to say I did it, I'll hold it. Don't scare me.
yeah. Okay, we have.
Holding bees for you, Luke. For those that don't know Luke, Luke's the man. Thinking of you, man. Okay. Thank you. All right, we're on the Mekong Delta, Mekong River, and we're just exploring. This is pretty cool. Check it out. Leaving the Mekong Delta, the Mekong River, which flows into the Chinese Sea. This is awesome.
Show you. And with the hot, so we don't throw it away, but you can make the mat or the rock. So cold and core. COCOIR. Or you can sun dry for money as well. Yeah. So nothing waste. And green. Giant gourami.
Is it from the river? Or?
Yeah, from the river, but now we farm rice. Yeah, but it's actually in the past it's natural from river.
It's a lambro. It's a Vietnamese lambro.
Wanna stay here, Carl? So I can have you Vietnamese in one lamp.
We got traffic jam.
We deep fried sticky rice. Dope. Yeah.
You got a big ball there, Antonio.
Okay,
You don't hear that very often.
Just one.
Just one.
okay, Coca-Cola life for you, honey.
I love it.
So on you go with the roller after you I don't want to make the roller. Yeah. Em xin gọi ấy nha. Your fire direction, honey.
Other way, that's it. It's
Yeah,
gonna-
over there. One more step. One more. Yeah, you sit over there. One more. Yeah. One more. One more. One more.
No,
One more.
One more. And your fire direction. That's way. Okay, correct, honey. Okay, next. Yeah, honey, chill. Đợi, chưa nha. And the last honey.
Wow, this is amazing. Oh, we're all wearing our hats.
Yeah, so they're in the middle between Hanoi and Saigon. There's a city in the coast. It's like the new Bali, right?
So that is too cold.
golf courses. Yeah. Corey would love that. He lives in one.
I live in one, but I don't play golf. It's one of life's greatest mysteries.
And how many months in a year you can play golf in Mekong?
Oh, probably like 6, maybe.
Hello. Hi.
He's doing real work for once.
Yeah, he's doing penance for his shitty quarter.
I'm doing the labor here.
Yeah, this is about right. So Antonio's son just said, hey, can you imagine going up this river, sweaty, let me dig the scene for you. Sweaty, hot, humid, and thick jungle bush, and mosquitoes. It rains quite a bit. And then it gets super hot and humid. And then there's people on the side of this looking to shoot you. That would not have been cool. Right, Antonio-san?
That is definitely not cool.
But we're reenacting it without the guns. It's nice to be in 2025. You're the Indian. You got to do some work.
We've outsourced.
We've outsourced the work to you. You thought you're Singaporean. Haha, surprise. Here it comes.
なるべく上げない方がいいよ。なるべくこうじらしながら。
No, they don't.
あいつらね待ってるんだけどね。ちょっとね顔のあたりにねピチピチって当ててるとね。刺激しないと。あ！面白いこれ面白い。これさしちゃダメよ。ああもうダメだ。取られちゃった。ああ釣れた。
I'm Indiana Jones. I hate snakes. I hate snakes. Indiana Jones says, I hate snakes. So I left my bag with Hannah, and she's gonna say, hold on to your own shit, honey.
Honey, that's why, like, I forgot my phone.
Nice.
Yeah. So actually, please double check it.
I think that's a
Did not know that. The tractor or what? Or the car?
Were built from 1849, but original one it's made by wooden structures.
1849. It's
Yeah.
great. The temple behind me is called Piercing Pagoda, which means not forever. It was built in 1840 something, okay? Check it out.